Hello everybody, my name is Juan Toro, I'm from Colombia, and in this video I'm going to showcase my final project for the CS50P course from Harvard University, and the title of my project is Personal Finance CLI. The features, well, this is just a small command line application that you can use to track your personal finances. They are saved into a JSON file, and then you can generate some summaries and also apply some kind of filter reports as well. The idea behind this project is that, I just thought that sometimes it's so difficult to keep track of your incomes and your expense that sometimes you find yourself saying, like, where did my money go? So, well, the idea is that you can finally get control over your finances and, well, to keep them tidy and clean. So let's go now with a short demo presentation. I'm just gonna close this up. I was just doing some testing. Oops, sorry for that. Okay, so I'm gonna start it again. Well, this is the menu. We have this beautiful title at the beginning, and this is the menu, as I was saying. So if I try to select an option, so we can see that we have 6 options. It will tell me, well, you didn't choose a valid option, please enter it again. So let's gonna start off with the most basic option, which is add a transaction. I'm just gonna say salary or something like this, salary, November, salary, the date. So let's say that this was something like this. So, well, this is not possible because this is not a real date. So if I try it, well, it says, well, the date format is invalid. Please enter it again. So pay attention to your dates. So this doesn't happen. So let's gonna say that this was on the 15th of November. And then I'm gonna say salary, November, salary. And then 1K. This is an income. And that's it. It will tell me that the transaction was added successfully. It will then ask me again, and let's now try the second option, which is to show all the transactions. So it will show me, well, at the moment we only have 1, so we only have income, 0 expenses, so the balance is 1,000. Let's now try we add another action, another transaction. Sorry, I'm just gonna say this is the rent, November rent. Rent of my house. Let's now try the other format, which is this one. Rent house. Rent house. We can, as you can see, we can add several tags, all separated by commas. This is gonna be 500. This is an expense. I can even type it like this, it doesn't matter. So we have the second transaction added. Let's confirm, and there you go. Okay, let's now try the other one, which is to show transactions by type. So let's say that I only want to see the incomes. So it will only show me the incomes. Let's now try again, but now with expenses. And it will show me only the expenses with the total as well. Let's now say that I'm adding a new transaction, but now this is for my salary of October. Salary October. Salary of October. This was 2025. I'm just gonna say salary October. And this was a little bit more. The income. And there you go. Now we can see we have the third transaction. By the way, the table is sorted by showing the most recent transactions first. So that's why this one, which is the oldest one, is at the bottom of the table. So we can see that this is correctly summing up all the values. So let's go now and try the fourth option, which is to show transactions by period. So let's say that I only want to see my transactions of October 2025. So I'm going to select month and year. So if I say that I see something like Monday, well, this is not valid, doesn't exist, so it will tell you that please enter a valid option. So month, year, and then we have 2025 October. So we can see that this is only showing the transaction from October, and also is only summing up the values that will appear here. Let's now try the fifth option, which is to delete a transaction. So remember, we have these transactions at the moment. We have 3 transactions, and we want to delete the last one. So I'm going to select the fifth option, and then I'm going to select the second one, and it will tell me, okay, this is the details of the transaction, as you can see. So are you sure you want to delete it? And I'm going to say yes. So it will tell me, okay, transaction 82 deleted successfully. What do you want to do? So it will tell me again. So now let's say that for some reason, well, before that, let's confirm that we only have 2 transactions at the moment. There you go. So we have only 2. So let's say that I'm done. I want to close this session because I need to do other stuff. And then let's say that on other day, I enter again. So you're probably wondering, wow, I need to enter all again. Well, that's not needed because all of them were saved into a JSON file. So if I open my tool again and I show all transactions, you can see that all the transactions are still there. So don't worry about that. So let's say that now for some reason you want to delete all of them. So well, that's why we have the final option, the 6th option, which is to delete all the data. So I want to select. It will ask me again, are you sure you want to delete all the transaction data? This action cannot be undone. Please respond delete. No other options allowed. So if I say yes, well, it say as you didn't confirm, the operation was cancelled and no data was deleted. Well, the idea of this is that you cannot delete your data by accident. So let's now try again. But now I'm gonna try it the right way. So all the transactions data were deleted successfully. So if I click again to show all the transactions, it will show me nothing. So well, that was it. Thank you so much, and well, take care.